Arise, O Lord, for the ark of the covenant is risen this morning. Beloved, I salute and welcome you to this great platform of prayer, a platform that is taking responsibility of our world. Today, everywhere, people are thinking about themselves. They are thinking about their families, etc. But we, the few, have decided to think about the whole world. And that is a plus. Because our God said he so loved the whole world that he sent his only begotten Son. So if we also love the whole world, then we are exhibiting the attitude and the character of our Father, who said he has created us in his image and likeness. We who are supposed to be displaying his image and likeness have found ourselves in another image and another likeness. Very, very sad. Very, very sad. We have found ourselves in the image and the likeness of a serpent. The Messiah called the Pharisees, "You are the children of a serpent." You are not the children of Abraham. You are the children of a serpent. Why did he say that? Remember, the serpent visited the first humans in the garden and successfully succeeded to impact his image and likeness in man. He so did that so well that God said, "I have regretted creating man." And the question is, God, why? He said, because his mind, man's mind, is continuously evil. Very good example. Look at our politicians. If not that men who are politicians can be so evil, why should this country be the way it is? The nurses are demanding for good salary, good condition of working. Okay, yes, they deserve it. They deserve it. Because they are supposed to be responsible for human health. But the question is, they who are fighting for their right, which they deserve, do they do the responsibility behind that right? That is the question. Gone are the days we know nurses, when you go to the hospital, the moment you enter the hospital, the nurse will meet you by the gate, welcome you, ask you, "What can I do for you? Is there any problem?" When they see emergency running in, they will also run to meet. Oh. I remember when we were children, we liked to go to the hospital just to see nurses in their green dress with some small cap, white and green, white. Oh God. Well dressed, neat, kind, compassionate with their work ethics. But today, is that what we see? We see a serpent image and likeness which displays itself in nurses who are fighting for their right. I have taken nurses to the medical council, taking doctors there. Look, I have encountered, anytime I go to the government hospital and I see any misbehavior, misconduct of any nurse or doctor, I fight back. I take it on. Because you know our people are illiterate, they don't know their rights. So these so-called big people, politicians, nurses, they just cheat our people. And nobody is there to fight for them. But that is where I am always available. I will fight to the end. Take responsibility. Because my scripture says, my father says, I should be each other's keeper. I should be concerned about my neighbor's difficulties. I should be concerned about the situation of other human beings. We have allowed the serpent spirit, serpent nature and character, serpent nature and image in us to even let God regret creating us. Oh, Father, forgive us. Oh, Lord, forgive us.